Introducing single and multi-flight stairs. In the upper left corner of the insertion window, you can define the height of the stairs. If it is to be equal to the level height, then we leave the default automatic height selected. We start drawing the stairs from the left or right edge of the first lowest step. During entry, the program calculates the number of steps and shows it on the line being entered. We determine the length of the first flight by entering the length or clicking on the drawing. The width icon in the input window will allow you to enter the desired value. We move the cursor to the left or right of the entered line. To determine the position of the run, enter the width and confirm Enter. If you are introducing a single flight, right-click now and the stairs will be entered. If there are to be two flight stairs, then we define the size and location of the landing. The landing length can be set after clicking the icon in the inserting window. We indicate the width of the landing on the projection. We choose the location of the next flight. We click at the end of the run and we can again specify the size of the landing and the next flight, or click the right button to confirm the end of the stairs. We have introduced two-flight U-shaped stairs. Depending on the project, we can use this option to insert the stairs as shown in the 3D window. We define stairs after drawing them. For this, we go to the Properties. We check the automatically calculated stride length. We start modifying the values by changing the number of steps, which, multiplied by their height, changes the entire height of the stairs. In order for the stairs to have the level height, you should choose the From Level button or enter the appropriate value yourself. The step length can also be modified by changing the step depth. By turning on the 3D preview, you can see the structure of the stairs and turn individual elements on and off, such as risers, tread, or stringers. The materials of individual parts of the stairs are defined by clicking on the Surfaces button. A railing can be introduced after selecting the entered stairs and clicking in the Edit window on the Insert Railing on Stairs icon.